Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix Siri is not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings and make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update your device, and after that again go back and you have to just simply open channel again, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. So guys, simply restart your device to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to make sure that your mic is working properly and there is no damage on your mic. After checking your mic, then you have to just simply check that your Siri is enabled. You have to just simply tap on settings, scroll down, and here tap on Siri and search, tap on listen for, and you have to make sure that the Hey Siri or Hey Siri is enabled. After trying all of these, tap and you are still facing the issue, then you have to just simply tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all settings for one time. So guys, after resetting your iPhone settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helped you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.